Hello there. Thank you for taking the time to click on this video. I do appreciate it. Today, we're going to talk about prospecting. No, we're not talking about prospecting for gold.
There's gold in them dar hills.
Even though I kind of wish there might be some gold here. But anyway, we're prospecting for fish using prospecting flies. And my top prospecting fly is this great big trailing sculpin from Red's Flies. So what does that mean, right? Prospecting for fish. A lot of times if you're on a river or a stream and you don't see anything happening, right? There's no dry flies, there's no real evidence of fish activity. I tie on this great big sculpin and run it through the hole, and a lot of times I'll bring up a fish because I'm just kind of prospecting to see if there's anything in there willing to eat, right? Fish are predatory. You put a great big streamer in front of a fish that's just chilling in a nice hole, they're gonna come up and eat it most of the time. So the water is super clear. I've got a couple of setups. I got my 5-weight with my tried and true sculpin pattern, right? That's kind of my prospecting fly. If there's predatory fish in here, they're gonna eat that. There we go. That's a good fish too. Wow. It's a big old, looks like a cutthroat. Holy crap. Oh, he's got some spunk, yeah. It's a beautiful cut. Wow. And then once you figure out there's fish and they're actively eating, then maybe you can tie on a dry and watch what else is happening right around you, whether you see some nymphs crawling around the rocks or whatever the case. But always start off with a prospecting fly. And that's what I did on this trip. And guess what? I caught a really nice fish because I was starting off with a prospect fly. And I also caught some fish on a dry fly because they were active and I figured, well, maybe they'll come up for that too. But that is what we call prospecting for fish and I like to use the trailing sculpin for prospecting for my fish. So, all right, there's your fly fishing tip of the trip. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. And if you're new to fly fishing, check out this video right here. I put together a very easy step-by-step tutorial on how to get your line just a little bit further out when you're doing your fly cast. So check it out. I think you'll cast a little better after watching this video. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Until the next time, fish on.